Hi everyone,
Hi.
welcome to Cock Channel. Today, let's make this cute little mouse together. Let's get started. First, connect 3 gray pipe cleaners together. Then wrap them around a pen. Wrap 1 white pipe cleaner around the pen. Thread it through the center like this. Pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. Twist the end tightly. Trim off the excess, then tuck the wire end inside. Connect 2 gray pipe cleaners and wrap them around a pen. Wrap another white pipe cleaner in the same way. Use scissors to cut the white coil in half. Thread 1/2 of the white coil through each side. Pull them toward the end, then twist tightly. Thread it through the center like this. Apply glue here and secure it in place. Trim off the excess, then fold the wire end inward. Roll a white pipe cleaner into a small circle. Apply glue, then wrap a gray pipe cleaner around half of the small circle. Trim off the excess, apply glue, then secure it to make the snout. Attach it with the white section facing downward. Glue on the eyes. Roll a gray pipe cleaner into a flat circle. Make a smaller flat circle using a white pipe cleaner. Check the size, then glue the 2 pieces together. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Make 2 ears, then glue them onto the head. Add a little blush. Cut short pieces of white thread and glue them on to make the whiskers. Glue on the nose. Glue on a short piece of black thread to make the mouth. Bend 2 2cm pieces of pipe cleaner to make the arms. Bend both ends, then glue them in place to make the feet. Next, cut a 6 cm piece of pipe cleaner and trim one end into a point. Curve it to make the tail. Apply glue and attach the tail. And our little mouse is finished. Save this video and give it a try. See you in the next video.